Another beautiful day on the trail, and I thought I would release a little mini series for you and let you in on some of those crazy, wacky conversations that we have about mental health, philosophy, the way the world works, the way the mind works. So some of this will feature from the documentary where I walked 30 kilometers every day for 30 days. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this little mini series. I hope you're all well and happy hiking. I've always had the philosophy that our body is a vessel, it's a machine, and our consciousness and our awareness is what controls that. So in reality, my thoughts are, all's what I am is awareness, and I let whatever I want into my own awareness and my own thoughts, and that controls my body, my vessel, my machine. The only thing that can be holding me back would be injury. And if you can't overcome that injury, then obviously it'd be hard to do a challenge like this. But if not, get control of your thoughts and your awareness, and you can do anything that you put your mind to in life.